Materials are passed through dedusters that use high air pressure to eliminate impurities. Then the materials are stored in the quarantine area and sampling is done. Products are labeled as per the stage of sampling that they are in. After the lab testing is done and the product is approved, the product is labeled with a green label. This means that it is ready to be used further for the production of the dry syrup. Production begins with the vacuum tray dryer that uses vacuum pressure to dry the material. The rotocone vacuum dryer is also used at this stage. Sifting and blending follows. Filling of the finished product into the bottles is next. This is done using the turntable and the bottles are first cleaned using air jet and ionizer to remove any ions. The filling of the bottles is fully automated and the machine can fill up to 30,000 bottles in just 8 hours. Completely mechanized capping follows where the caps are screwed onto the bottles. This is followed by the induction sealing of the bottles. In the next stage, random visual inspection is done. Next, thorough inspection for all the bottles follows where proper filling and sealing is checked and verified. The dose cap is added to the bottles in the next step. Automatic labeling of the bottles is done next and is done in fully mechanized manner. The bottles are now ready to be packed in cartons. This packaging happens by using the auto cartoner. The entire process is completed by the machine without human intervention. The bottle and the liquid is packed into the carton and the carton is closed. This maintains accuracy, speed and uniformity. Multiple cartons are then put together in shrink packs to ease further packing and transportation. And the final product is packaged and ready. At ALPS Communications, all levels of the process are followed with care and precision. Utilities include server room, building management system, AHU air handling unit, DHU dehumidifier, chiller, DM plant, LT panel, boiler, UPS, genset, and the full power backup is there at the plant. The work culture at ALPS is very congenial and appropriate for growth and development of the staff. We take as much care of our staff as we do of our customers. This is why we are ALPS Communications, caring life with quality innovation.